How to update OpenClaw. All right, so your first step would be to log on to docs.openclaw.ai/install. And then on the install page, you'll be dropped here where you can install OpenClaw. Just simply scroll to the bottom and click on updating. So it's going to take you to the updating menu where you can actually update your OpenClaw. All right, so once you're on the update page, this is how you can actually update. So let's go ahead and copy this block of code, minimize your browser, and use the command prompt. So go ahead and open up command prompt on your computer, hit enter, and then click on the drop down here and select PowerShell, and then you use PowerShell, then use the control key and V, and then hit enter, and then OpenClaw would update to the latest version. Now, if you do not want to update to the latest version without making sure everything works well, open up that browser once more, and then you should find the alternative option to running it without enabling automation. All right, and if there are any updates, you see it updating via the package manager, and that's how you can easily update.